How to install WordPress plugin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 methods of installing a WordPress plugin. I will show you how you can add a plugin from WordPress plugin directory and how you can add it with FTP. Let's get started. How to install a plugin on WordPress. After installing WordPress, the first thing every beginner needs to learn is how to install a WordPress plugin. In simple words, WordPress plugins are like apps for your WordPress website. They allow you to add new features to WordPress like a contact form, slideshow, shopping cart, and more. There are thousands of free and paid plugins available for WordPress. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to install a WordPress plugin. Open the browser. So let's get into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to your domain /wp-admin. Log in with the admin and password. The easiest way of installing a WordPress plugin is to use the plugin search. The only downside of this option is that a plugin must be in the WordPress plugin directory, which is limited to only free plugins. First thing, you need to visit the Plugins Add New page inside your WordPress admin area. You will see a screen like the one like this. You will see here featured plugins, popular, recommended, and favorites. Find the plugin by typing the plugin name or the functionality you are looking for. On the Search Input plugin from the right, write what you search for. Let's search for a plugin called NextGen so we can install it. We have found the plugin. Click on Install Now. Click Activate. You have now installed this plugin. You can also install a plugin that is not in this directory. Paid WordPress plugins are not listed in the WordPress plugin directory. These plugins cannot be installed using the first method. That's why WordPress comes with the upload method to install such plugins. We will show you how to install WordPress plugins using the upload option in the admin area. First, you need to download the plugin from the source, which will be a zip file. Next, you need to go to the WordPress admin area and visit Plugins, Add New page. After that, click on the Upload Plugin button on the top of the page. This will reveal the plugin upload form. Here you need to click on the Choose File button and select the plugin file you downloaded earlier to your computer. After you have selected the file, you need to click on the Install Now button. WordPress will now upload the plugin file from your computer and install it for you. You will see a success message like this after the installation is finished. Once installed, you need to click on the Activate Plugin link to start using the plugin. You would have to configure the settings to fit your need. These settings will vary for each plugin, therefore we will not be covering that in this. You have now finished installing this plugin. How to upload and install a plugin on WordPress on Windows with FTP. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to install a plugin on a WordPress site by uploading the files with FTP software. This tutorial is made especially for hosting accounts that have cPanel as hosting manager. But this will work with any system as long as you find the corresponding data. We will need first to make an FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection, so if you have not done this, put the video on pause and check the description of this video. A connection is required. Copy now on your computer the plugin you want to upload to your site. I have already downloaded the plugin. You will need to go to the folder where you downloaded the file. To transfer the files to the server, you will need to unzip the file. I will right-click the plugin zip file and click on Extract All. Now, click on Extract. Let's open the folder we just extracted. you need to have on this folder some PHP files. If you do not have this and have another archive, you will need to extract the file again. Some premium developers do this, so you will need to copy these files to the server. Now, let's connect to the hosting account with the FTP software. If you have not done that, put the video on pause and check the video that is in the description that explains all about FTP and how you can create the connection. Click Login. After you are connected to the hosting account, click on folder public_HTML from the right. Open now folder WP-content. Open the folder Plugins. Now, on the left, go where the downloaded plugin folder is located. You will need to upload the folder completely. Do not upload the content of the folder on your plugins. This will mess up your folder structure. Select the root folder and click Upload. Click OK. Now, the plugin has been uploaded to the server. We will need to activate the plugin. Open the browser. So let's go into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to yourdomain/wp-admin. Log in with the admin and password. Go with the mouse over Plugins and click Installed Plugins. In this list, find the plugin name you just added on the server. If you do not find the plugin here, it means maybe you copied the files in the wrong path. I have here the plugin I added on FTP. Click Activate. Once installed, you need to click on the Activate Plugin link to start using the plugin. You would have to configure the settings to fit your need. These settings will vary for each plugin. Therefore, we will not be covering that in this video. You have now finished installing the plugin. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.